the lowest common multiple. Today I'm going to show you how to find the lowest common multiple. Step by step how to find the LCM. First, write down the two numbers in the video or the question. In this scenario, it's 2 and 10 because I'm using this as an example. So I write down 2 and 10. Second, write down the factors of the number. For 2 times tables, it's 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. I'm only going to write that much. And for 10 times, it's 10, 20, 30, 40. Now, third, circle the first factor that is the same. And the first one, remember, it's always the first one. It's no 2, it's only 20, no 4, no 6, no 8, and there's 10 in the factor. So it's 10, the scenario, it's 10 as the LCM. Here are some questions if you want to practice. I already showed you how to do this question. Take a photo of these questions if you want to practice the LCM. And here are the answers, so if you want to check. Common mistake 1. You will write the factors beside each other, and it will get messed up, and you'll get the question wrong. And the way I showed you, like this, you won't be afraid of this thing happening. But sometimes people write it like a factor tree or a swing, like 1 to 10, 2 to 5, 5 to 2. Now, some people do this. Then these are the factors of the LCM. I personally do not advise using using this way, but sometimes when you do that, you'll write it beside each other, like 1 times 10, 2 times 5, and sometimes you might get mixed up, like 1 to 102, 10 to 25. Sometimes you'll get messed up. Second mistake, make sure the factors, because if you wrote 2 factors that don't match, you might get mixed up and your answer will be wrong. So some people do their questions like 2 and 10. 2 and 4, and then they go like 5. And then they're like, what's 5 plus 2? 7. 7 is 9. Then you write the 10 times tables, you're like 10. Then you find the 10 times table, like 10, 19, 20, what's 19, 29. Then you'd be like, what? I can't find the lowest common multiple. I'll keep writing. And then you keep writing. Then you'll find it but it won't be the right question. Or it won't be the right answer. And bonus, always make sure you double check so the second mistake won't happen. Always make sure of that. And also, don't do it really quick because you might get it wrong. And then if you're doing it really quick, you're probably not going to check. Double check. So fun games that'll help you. These are some fun games that I used to help me learn LCM. Now, here's how to solve a word problem. As in the step-by-step, the first step is you write down the 2 numbers. In this scenario, it's 2 and 8. Now, you write down Okay, let's read the question first, though. SAC came up with a taxi service. On the first day of taxi service, there were 2 taxis. On the second day, there were 8 taxis. What if both groups of taxis came on the same day? What would be the lowest amount of cars? So we're trying to find the LCM. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. 8 times equals 8, 16, 24, and 32. And for these, that's how you do. Then third step, remember, is to find the same looking number, which is 8. Right here, look, it's 2 8s, and so it's 8 and an 8, and that means 8 would be the lowest common multiple. Then you would write a sentence like 8 is the LC is the lowest amount of cars that could come in one day. And that is how to solve a word problem. Thanks for listening, and subscribe. Thank you.